What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's me, Shy. Anyways, today I'm with my buddies Chur and Zah. What's up, guys? How you doing, man?
What's up, man?
Today we're striper fishing. We are on the Sacramento River, looking to catch my first, striper here with my buddies. So we're on a boat. Gonna see how I do. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. I'll see how I do later. All right, peace. I also forgot to mention I'm gonna be using this D-Bix, my rod by D-Bix Custom Rods. Check that out. Right there. I'll be using this jerkbait right here too. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Good stuff. All right. Oh. Sure. First one of the day. Yes. Oh, heck yeah.
Turn it on?
So, yeah, it's on. Oh, man. Small guy. Let's go, let's go. No skunk, guys. All day. Oh, man, this guy's sperm everywhere. Great. Cool. Alright. Check that out, guys. Look, this guy's all sperming all over me. Boom. First one of the day. Let's go. Oh, a little tink. Not what I wanted though. No skunk though. This guy's a fatty. This guy's a fatty, man. Oh man, I get the small guys. Check that out. Oh man, it's nothing too. Check that out, guys. Look at this fatty bass. DD one day, man. Another dink. Oh, shit. It's not a keeper though, I don't think so. Check that out, guys. Man, just a couple inches shy of 18. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my. It broke off my jerk bait. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a nice one. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh, yes. Come on, baby. Don't fall off. Baby. Don't fall off, baby. Don't fall off, baby. Don't fall off, baby. Don't fall off. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I almost fucked myself. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. That's how I make my videos. Check that out, guys. Look at that beauty. Oh shit. Oh shit. Check that out. Finally caught my first striper of the year. Keeper off of Exclusive jerkbaits. Shout out to Exclusive. What's up, everybody? Just caught a big fatty right there. First striper of the year. About to weigh him. See how much he weighs. Oh, what the? How did that fall off?
Oh, you got that camera.
Oh, shit. I did. Man, look at guys. The stringer came off. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, we're gonna weigh this guy. Check it out, guys. It's on 4.4 pounds. Ooh. 4 pounder. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Shy. Anyways, just got done striper fishing with a few buddies of mine. I want to give a shout out to Chur for inviting me out. He put me on my first striper of the year, or a first keeper. So that felt awesome. It was a good fight. I had a big hit, lost one, and then I caught like 2 undersized. But finally, I was able to catch my first keeper of the year. It was 21 inches and 4 pounds. I got it off this jerk bait by Exclusivee Lures. So shout out to Exclusivee Lures. This is the bone color. So yeah, that's what I got it on, and I was using that D-Bix custom rods. So yeah, it feels good, and yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed that. The striper run is in full effect, you know. Shad is coming up, so I can't wait for that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and remember to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it, and you know, hit that bell icon so it updates you when I upload new videos. All right, Real quick shout out to Jared Notorious Custom Jigs, Jack from Fish Show, Juan Chai from Master Bear 559, and David Bixler from Deepest Custom Rods. Alright guys, I'm out. Peace.